Hello and welcome to this new video where I will show you all about how to create a maintenance schedule in Workshop Data. As you can see, I've already gone ahead and pre-selected the vehicle here, which is the Insignia, and I am now in the general overview. If you look closely, you can use the quick selection box to select maintenance schedules, or you can use the maintenance tab, which I will do in this case. Our car is from 2011, so it's 8 years old. That gives me 96 months. And this takes me to the maintenance overview, where you can see the standard time, you can see the total time, you can see the parts required, and you can select additional work. Now for this example, I will select a couple of things like the air filter, the braking system, and the replacement for the battery for the key. And you can also see these blue icons here on the right hand side. They contain additional information. I'll show you an example. These are the tire sizes and the corresponding pressures. You can also see information on how to replace the pollen filter in the car with custom images. And if you're ready, selected all your jobs, you can go up, you can click on print, and you can see there are two versions. There's a workshop version and there's a customer version. The workshop version has additional information for the mechanic. In this case, I will select the customer version. I will click on print and open the maintenance schedule. And that is how you create a maintenance schedule in Workshop Data. Now you're ready to start the job.